the core. Waves his paw and starts to play. Let's be brave, he loves to say. Elephant on finger too big and wise, floppy ears and giant size. Stomps the ground, goes toot toot toot, loves to dance with his big round boots. Monkey on the middle swinging high, from tree to tree he touches the sky. Scratches his head and giggles loud, funny little friend who draws a crowd. Rabbit on the ring, hop hop hop, long pink ears that never stop. He munches carrots all the way, then wiggles his nose and runs to play. Kitty on the pinky, soft and sweet, tiptoe paws and silent feet, purrs and cuddles, calm and small, snuggles up when night birds call. All my finger friends say hi, wave them up into the sky. Wiggle wiggle,